Hallo! Today we explore verb conjugation. So in German grammar, conjugation is going to be a very important part. And what conjugation basically means is changing the verb to fit the subject, mood, voice or tense of the sentence. So in German, a verb is mainly conjugated on three factors, that is the person, the number and the tense. So accordingly, we will use some common verbs and see how they are conjugated. So the first verb would be heißen, as we have already used that in multiple sentences before. Heißen means to name or to call. So how are we going to conjugate it according to the pronouns that we have already learned? Ich heiße, du heißt, sie heißen, er oder sie oder es heißt, sie heißen. So let's do it again with the English translation. Ich heiße, I am called. Du heißt, you are called. Sie heißen. This sie with the capitalized S is the formal you. You are called. Then er oder sie oder es heißt, he, she or it is called. And sie, and this sie is they, the third person plural, sie heißen. Okay? So that is your verb heißen. And now with another example that is common, that is to come. Ich komme, I come. Du kommst, you come. Sie, again with the capitalized S, sie, that is the formal you. Sie kommen, you come. Now, er oder sie oder es, he, she, it, kommt. He or she or it comes. Sie, your plural, they, sie kommen, they come. Let's do one more example, that is wohnen, which means to live. Ich wohne, I live. Du wohnst, you live. Sie wohnen, you live, but formal. Er oder sie oder es wohnt, he, she or it lives. Sie wohnen, they live. So as you can see, I have marked the end of the verbs with red ink. That means this is how the verb is going to change according to the pronoun. So when it's first person singular, the verb is going to end with an E. When it's second person singular, the verb ends with ST. Second person singular but formal singular or plural but formal, it will always end with an EN. Then the third person singular pronouns, they are going to end with just T. And then finally, the third person plural, Z, not capitalized, that is also going to end with EN. So as we can see, the formal you and the third person plural, they have the same conjugation, EN, EN. First person ends with E, second person informal singular ends with ST, and third person singular ends with just T. If you can remember these rules, it will make it much easier for you to conjugate verbs. So now let's try an example with the verb heißen. Ich heiße Anna. So here ich is your first person singular pronoun. So how are we conjugating the verb? We are adding an E, heiße. That is, you drop the N from the actual verb heißen and you just leave the E, so it's heiße. Ich heiße Anna. I am called Anna. And that is how you conjugate it. So thank you so much for your time. Please do more activities to make these rules clearer and Muri will help you with those. Ciao!